Hey, what's up guys, Rex Allen here. I wanted to talk about a cool new product we got in-house today. Something we've been using for a long time, and we actually just bought one more. So without waiting any longer, we'll just go ahead and get into it. It's the thing from Range Leather out in Wyoming. It's not sponsored by Range. They have no idea I'm doing this video. Hopefully I'll send it out to them, they'll like it and they'll push it out to you. But anyway, hope you enjoy. Thanks. It's a notebook cover, and I've been using them for a couple years now. I just got another one. So first thing, kind of cool, you open up the box, the branding is like super on point. So you just kind of get hit with this subtle branding here on the cover of the notebook. Pull your notebook out. I've got this little business card in here, some info, some leather cream, don't need the box. So you open up this little sack and out comes your product. Kind of a nice little notebook cover. Like I said, I've been using mine for a couple years. This is the one I've already got right here. As you can see, it's a little bit more worn in. I actually just repolished this one, so it was looking a little bit more patinaed. Now it's kind of looking fresh again, but anyway, super cool product. Really nice leather feel. Really good. I think they're actually using some actual gut for the stitching. I'm not a leather pro by any means, but I appreciate nice things, so I really like leather. Anyway, these just have a super awesome touch. They give your notebooks some really nice protection, and when you go into the office, if anybody's still going into the office these days with the whole COVID thing, you definitely get lots of compliments. I always get lots of compliments on mine. People ask me where I got it, and I always send them to Range Leather. Their branding is kind of weird. They used to include it in the box, all that paper that kind of keeps it padded. It used to have like a topographical map of the Wyoming range, which was really cool. I thought it was actually super cool branding, but this time around they didn't actually include that, so it's kind of a bummer there. But you know, in the end it doesn't really matter. But again, just all the subtle branding, Range Leather, their own cream, their own bags. They've got the hot stamp Range on the notebook there. Anyway, like I said, I've been rocking them for a while. I've got the mini one for kind of a field notebook. Got the full-size one, obviously the new full-size one for you know, another company I'm going to do, so I'm going to kind of keep notes separate from my engineering stuff and my design stuff. A couple things to note, they do include this little notebook here. It's smaller. It is moleskin, so that's nice. Moleskin, moleskin, I don't know how to pronounce that name, whatever. You know, it's a nice little notebook. It is small, so the first thing I always do is I replace it with a bigger one. I like to use the dot ruled, where it's a little dot matrix, helps me draw logos and kind of concepts and stuff, so I like to do that. Same thing with the little one. I swapped it out for a mini one. This one actually has grid lines in it. And they do include a Pilot Precise V5 pen. You know, it's an okay pen. It's not my favorite. I've been using these Signo DX from Uniball .38. I really like those pens. But I take a lot of notes. I write down a lot of ideas. I really like to keep track of what I'm doing. I use to-do lists, and obviously lots of logo sketches, brand concepts, things like that. So for me, having a notebook is kind of imperative. I take it everywhere I go, so you know, having a nice leather cover helps me not forget it. Yeah, Another couple things on these ones, obviously they've got the pen holder in the front. We've got some business card holders, so right there, keep some Nomad business cards handy, so I can, pass those out as opportunities arise. I need to get some new ones made up for Rexel and Design, especially because I'm pushing content there even more. It's where I want to focus: content creation, videos, photos, stuff like that. Anyway, just wanted to kind of showcase a new product that I've, a new one that I just got, of a product that I've been using for a really long time and I really like. It's not sponsored by Range. They have no idea I'm doing this video. Hopefully I'll send it out to them, they'll like it and they'll push it out to you. But anyway, hope you enjoy. Thanks.